Hey everyone, Rich here from Earthwise Packaging, and today we're looking at the F-15 induction sealer from Cooljarz. The F-15 sealer gets you a tamper-evident seal on our Cooljarz Airtight, watertight, odor-proof vials and jars. In this video, we will show you how to set up your new F-15 sealer, how to use and adjust the sealer depending on the size of jar you are sealing, and how easy and quick the F-15 sealer really is. First, unpack your new F-15 sealer. Inside the box, you should find the sealer all ready to go. No assembly or attaching any cables is necessary. It's really just plug and play. You'll also find a sample pack of our latest foil-sealed jars and vials from Cooljarz. Next, find a good flat surface to place your new F-15 sealer and plug it in to a 110 volt outlet. Prepare some Cooljarz foil seal containers that you want to seal, placing your product inside, then the foil seal inside of the black cap with the foil seal pointing towards the jar. Next, select the proper time and power rating for that container. Each Cooljarz container from 22mm to 53mm has been tested, and the appropriate power level and time has been listed on the front of the F-15 sealer. In this case, we'll be sealing our 43mm vials. So let's set our time to 1.1 seconds and our power level to power level number 2. To adjust the time, press the time plus or minus till you get to this adjusted time. To adjust the power level, press the power plus or minus until the suggested light lights up. Let's seal them. Place the handheld sealer over the jar with the cap and foil seal on. Press the red button on top of the handheld sealer. Wait for the counter to count down on the unit. Boom, you're done. You've just fully sealed a jar, giving a tamper-evident seal to your product. This seal will be good for 6 to 10 months. Let's do a few so you can see how quick the process is. Well, there you have it. Another great product from Cooljarz to make your packaging compliant, professional, and quick. We thank you for watching our YouTube channel. If you like the video, hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all of our newest products and support videos. As always, my name is Rich. Thanks for watching.